Now remember, I promised you the minute the news is over, I'm going to unbox this phone because there is just so much demand for this. The review of the Vivo Nex will only happen next week. So let's start with the unboxing with this, my trusty weapon. So now the packaging is quite interesting because it's a very luxury kind of a packaging. Let's get the plastic out. Now for the phone. So let me tell you, of course, from outside itself, of course, it has the actual FIFA World Cup, the fact that they were the official smartphone for them, that was Vivo. Now let's unbox it. So again, if you take a look, it says NEX out here, the open part of it is here, and this is the slide out. What does the slide out have? It has the cover, it has the headphones, it has of course the charger, and of course it will have the rest of what you need. अब चलते हैं to the phone itself. You may or may not be able to see it right now, but there's a very interesting grid pattern that is ingrained into the glass itself. Dual camera at the back and of course the pop-out camera in the front. So I've taken it out, and what I've done with it is I've set up the fingerprint part of it. But first let's just do the first part, which is the interesting one. And that is, let me show you the screen. If you see, no notch anywhere, absolutely thin edged. The bezels are almost non-existent with the way the phone has been made. Beautiful screen in every which way, and like I said, no notch. So now I've already set up the fingerprint scanner part of it. Let's try that out. So if you've kept your phone down and you pick it up, this part will get illuminated, and this is where you just put it on the screen and bang, within a millisecond, very quickly, much faster than the X21, this one has opened out. Now that we've seen the fingerprint scanner, time now to move on to the part that I think we all are intrigued by, how the camera actually comes out of this one. Let's take a look. There. It slowly comes out from the front. It's a small pop-out camera, only the front camera, and that's how it works. And once you get out of this, slowly goes back again. Again, very nicely done, good implementation. That's all I'm doing because next week we'll do the full detailed review.